everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that there is this bag that contains sweets, chocolates and lollipops in terms of X, all the numbers, okay? And we are going to take one randomly. They also give me an important clue. They tell me that the probability of drawing a chocolates is half, okay? So first, we need to know what is the total number. So therefore, you will see that, the very first thing that comes to Mr. Tan mind is, how many out of the total number? So you must take note that this expression here, where I have X, my X, plus my chocolates, the sweets, plus my lollipop. So this will be my sweets, my chocolates, and my lollipops, and I add them up. So this is what we call the total. So I just plus them together lah, And out of this total, since we are talking about chocolates, that's why the chocolate is on top. This is the number of chocolate. And when I divide, they tell me the probability of getting one chocolate, which is half. Okay? So when I simplify the total, right, I will get 2x plus 22. Okay? X plus 2x minus x will give me 2x. Minus 3 plus 25 will give me positive 22. And from here, then we are going to do our algebraic manipulation, where I'm going to multiply by 2 on both sides. And then I'm going to show you in blue. I'm going to multiply by 2 on both sides, so that there will no longer be the 2 here. I am also going to multiply by 2x plus 22, the whole thing, on both sides, so that this one will be divided off to leave with me with the following step. How do I get 4x? 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 times negative 3, negative 6. 1 times 2x plus 22, 2x plus 22. And I continue to simplify and solve. So I'm going to minus 2x on both sides. And plus 6 on both sides. So that the next line you see will look like this. 4x minus 2x equals to 2x. Negative 6 plus 6, 0. No need to write. 2x minus 2x also 0. No need to write. 22 plus 6, 28. And then, last step would then be to divide by, yes, divide by 2. And that would be the answer for this question. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.